welcome back to our channel. Are you living in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman or Bahrain and dreaming of moving to Europe for better career opportunities, higher salaries and a better quality of life? The good news is a lot of European countries are hiring labor because of shortages of workforce in their own country. If you have the right skill and documentation, your chances of securing a work permit are better than ever. In today's video, I'll share the easiest European countries to migrate to from the Middle East in the 2026. Let's get started. First on the list is Poland. Poland continues to experience labor shortages in industries like manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, food production, construction, hospitality, and transportation. Many employers recruit workers directly from the Middle East and provide them with the employment contracts that enable the workers to apply for their work visas. One of Poland's biggest advantage is its relatively affordable cost of living in comparison to the other Western European countries, while salaries have steadily increased over the years. Next is Hungary. Hungary has become a popular destination for workers from outside Europe, especially in automotive, manufacturing, electronics, warehouse, hotels, and food processing. Many international companies have expanded their operations there, thereby increasing the requirement for semi-skilled and skilled workers. If you secure a genuine job offer from a licensed employer, the work permit process is rather straightforward. Third is Croatia. Croatia has seen rapid economic growth and faces shortages in tourism, hospitality, construction, shipbuilding, healthcare, and seasonal employment. Many employers are now hiring from Asia and the Middle East because the local labor supply is limited. For those seeking entry in Europe with long-term employment opportunities, Croatia is becoming an attractive destination. Number 4 is Latvia. Latvia has been recruiting foreign workers for logistics, transports, manufacturing, woodworking, hospitality, and warehouse operations. Processing times can often be competitive, and employers help with relocation and also with the documentation. For people looking for a quieter European lifestyle and employment opportunities, Latvia could be the best destination. Finally, we have Bulgaria. Bulgaria is expanding its workforce by recruiting international employees in manufacturing, agriculture, hospitality, construction, and industrial production. Living expenses are among the lowest in the European Union, making it easier for the newcomers to save money while gaining valuable European work experience. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video. I hope now you've got a better understanding of the easiest European countries to migrate to from the Middle East in 2026. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, please like, comment and share the video, and for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.